Hey everyone, Eric Wooldridge here, Director of the Additive Manufacturing Center for KCTCS, and just wanted to give you an update on FloodBuster 1. We are 1 week out from the main event, so to speak, and we're mostly in logistics mode. The site is prepped. What we're working on now is actually just getting all the materials in and the equipment to arrive, obviously. A big part of what we're doing is just planning in terms of like how we're going to be moving the material back and forth from the storage facility in a timely fashion, making sure that we're going to have all the utilities in the right place, and just that the overall construction process flows very well, which is typical for any regular construction project. The other thing that we're doing right now is actually going over the slicing and the computer model that is used by the printer to actually execute the print project. So what we're doing is we're going through and checking every anchor point, aligning the joints for sort of like that control mechanism, control cracking mechanism, and the other kind of things that go into it. What's really neat about this particular project, or just 3D printing in general in terms of concrete, is that you can control every single thing and place it exactly where you want to, which is not typically the way construction normally goes. Normally we actually set standards and those standards are left up to the field crew. But in this case, we're able to actually locate every single thing, which means we have to pay attention to every single thing, as you can imagine. So it's a really interesting approach. The guys are going through it with me 2 or 3 times in a row just to double check and see what we may have missed. And the next steps will be to bring the rest of the equipment in and also get scaled up, maybe do some dry runs. So over the process, we'll be updating you all and kind of sharing the project with you, showing some of the steps that we're going through, and then getting ready for next Friday. It's a very exciting time for us, and we, of course, are very appreciative of all of you all who have watched and shared this ride with us. If you're not familiar with what I'm referring to, check out some of our previous posts. This is Kentucky's first concrete 3D printed house, and we're welcoming everyone to come and experience it with us. You can check out the posts. We have a landing page. You can hear the story about it. If you can attend, you can always actually watch the live stream that we will have, or RSVP if you can, just so we have an idea of how many are coming. So very exciting time, and we look forward to not only sharing the technology and how it can be used for more resilient residences and structures, but also we'll be showing off some of the concrete products that this technology can make as well. So again, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned, check out some of our other posts, and let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in about a week.